Hello. So I am doing it again, twisting my hair using this Shébé, using the Shébé butter, and I'm so loving it. Okay, let me just show you how I do it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Eti-Frank here. Today I'm gonna be washing my hair using this avocado deep conditioning treatment for my hair. That treatment is 100% natural. I also made some I made a whole lot of it, and I'm going to be showing you I'm gonna upload a video later on how you can make this. Basically what I used to make this is just avocado, banana, eggs, and a lot of other ingredients, and I'm gonna share a video like I said earlier. Okay, so if you're new here, do find time to subscribe and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Share this video with whosoever you think will need to see this video. Okay, so let's enjoy. So the first thing I actually did was just to put my hair in different sections that I'll be able to work with, and I actually detangle my hair using just water to do it before I apply this product. As you can see, I actually made this product very light. I don't like products that are very thick because it kind of like wears down the hair and makes it a bit difficult for it to penetrate into the hair. This is because of how the African hair is actually structured. You can see how hydrated my hair is using that mask. This mask is something I absolutely love. For me, this is the best mask, best deep treatment ever that I've ever DIY deep treatment that I've ever used. So after everything, I'll just put my hair in twist before I go and walk into the next section. The tips of the hair is usually very important because it's actually the driest part of the hair. But I have to tell you one thing, because I added egg to this treatment, I did not like it while I was in the bathroom. I felt like my whole body was just smelling egg. So the next time I'm gonna do this, I will just mix everything together, then walk into the salon where they'll just apply it for me, so that I won't have to literally bathe egg all over my body. You can see how glossy and shiny my hair looks. You really need to see how I make this. Okay, so the only way for you to do that is to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime when next I post this video. So I actually put my hair in twist, and the next thing I'm gonna do is just to cover it with a polythene bag or a grocery bag and let it stay for as long as 30 minutes to 1 hour before I wash it off. I have finished washing my hair, and I really loved it. It did not take so much time for me to remove the marks off my hair. Butter. This is the Shébé butter. If you don't know about Shébé, or you're just hearing about Shébé for the first time, Shébé is actually a powder, is an Ayurvedic herb that is being used by women in Africa, Chad part of Africa to be specific. I mean, so I finally laid my hands on the original Shébé powder, and I used it to make this butter, which I'm going to be using to twist my hair. I've actually been experimenting Shébé for some time. I've actually shared the original Shébé butter with friends, and the result is just way out of this world. Okay, the result is amazing. Shébé is now my favorite Ayurvedic herbs for hair mask. So I'm gonna use this. I actually whip this with Shébé butter, with cocoa butter, mango butter, and shea butter, which are actually excellent for hair growth. Okay, enough of all this talk, let's just go right into the video. I'm gonna add my hair growth oil into this bottle. check it very well. So once my hair is dry, I'm gonna go in with it. So at this point, I'm just finger detangling my hair. Then I have to go in with my hair growth oil. This oil will also be available for purchase. I'm actually making plans to put this in the market as soon as I can, okay, because a lot of people have been requesting for this oil. So I just use the oil to finger detangle my hair. Then I'm gonna take just a little of this butter, you can see that, and rub it against in my palm and go into the hair from the roots to the tip of the hair, gently massaging it in to ensure that the whole of my hair have this butter. Thereafter, I'll just twist it in. Okay, so let me just show you how I twist it. Yes, the tip again, I have to put it on the tip because it's actually the oldest and the driest part of the hair. Don't worry, I'm gonna do a detailed video in case you are thinking of how to twist your hair at home. It's actually very easy if you have the time to do it. I didn't know that I can do this. The second time I'm actually twisting my hair at home, and I absolutely love it. So going to the salon is actually a no for me. So if you want a detailed video on how to twist your hair at home, please kindly let me know in the comments down below, and I'm just gonna do that just for you. So when you get to the tip of the hair, you have to be very careful. You just watch and see how I'm actually, yeah, I can see me wrapping it in so that it will not lose. Okay, so just enjoy the rest of the video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Eti-Frank skincare. Like, I'm gonna show you like that.
Go for me.
Okay, now. Come and apologize.
I am sorry.
Come and stay here inside my video and apologize.
I am sorry.
Yeah. This my sister.
I am sorry.
It is official now. Eti-Frank skincare. We are sisters.
Oh, really?
Yes.
No, wait. Are you serious? Are we really sisters?
She's my daughter. She is my daughter. Wait, let's take a thumbnail. Please.
Was I there at the beginning of the video? Please leave me alone.
I'm begging you.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want me to do for you? She's actually transitioning, okay?
Yes,
and she can't wait to cut her hair. She said I inspired her.
I didn't say that.
Come on! I inspired you.
Okay.
The good thing is that she won't be buying hair products, okay?
And the good thing is that she won't be buying skincare products again.
Yeah.
Ever. So she's going to stop using Macari soon, guys.
Yeah.
She's gonna stop.
Yes.
And her skin will be glowing by Eti-Frank skincare.
Okay, guys. So probably this might be where I'm gonna end this video. I don't know. I might decide to do the twist out on cam. I may choose not to, as the spirit directs. But if I
can you
don't,
leave me? Let me go.
no. But if I don't, tell them to subscribe now.
Oh guys, please subscribe. If you know me, if you love me, whether you like me or not, please just subscribe to my channel.
Why would they like you? See the way your skin they shine like shine bobo. No shine sissy. Okay, so
please subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends. It is very, very important.
Thank you.
Important.
And they should follow me on Instagram.
Follow on Instagram.
Eti-Frank. I'm gonna leave the link up there. So this is what is left. This Shébé, and I really love this thing on my hair. Like, I'm gonna give you up close, like so that you
show them up close. Show them up close.
Like you could see how juicy the curls looks. Eti-Frank, come, let's do it. The thumbnail draw. You know, so look at how juicy the curls look. And like it's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna let you know how to buy the Shébé butter. Okay, so until another time when I'll come your way, my name still remains Eti-Frank, the girl from Nigeria who is passionate about natural hair, like encouraging women to go natural. See you on my next video. Bye.